you just built a new internet department or BDC or call center, or you have an already existing one that's broken, you're pressing the reset button and you don't know where to start, contact Dealer Synergy. We're going to be able to help you basically figure out exactly what step you're in the process of either starting from scratch or pressing the reboot button. And we can help you with everything from the recruiting, screening, interviewing, recommended hires, to basically helping you staff the department. Everything from setting up your CRM, the templates, the scripts, and all your other technology and resources, helping you with getting the right people, training them, and then obviously helping with all the marketing, advertising, and driving the traffic. We can help you with the entire ecosystem of your internet or BDC.